If you are wondering if there is a 3.5mm headphone jack on the Samsung Galaxy S26, then the answer is unfortunately no. The phone does not have 3.5mm headphone jack, there is no headphone jack input. Usually, if there is, then you can find it at the top or at the bottom of the phone, but as you can see, the only port that we have is this USB-C port, and this is how we can actually connect our wired headphones. So if you have wired headphones with USB-C cable, then of course you can just simply connect it to the bottom of the phone where we have the USB-C port. On the other hand, if you have wired headphones with this kind of cable, there we go, then in that case you need to use an adapter that looks, for example, like this. So this is a simple adapter that converts 3.5mm headphone input into USB-C cable, so you can connect our wired headphones to this adapter and then reconnect it to our phone, and then you should be able to use your wired headphones like this. Leave a like and subscribe.